Welcome to today's analysis on EURUSD currency pair. This overview will shed some light what happened on the market this week and what could happen next week. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. Let's go. This week started with the price here at the level 1.09249 or close to this price. And on a Monday, the price has breached below this support level at 1.08846 and reached almost the strongest support below this current price, 1.08067. This price is close to 1.07825, which is the strongest support the price had in front of it. And here is also the supply and demand zone marked with this rectangle. If we look in the past for this support level, which I have mentioned last week, is the strongest support for the price at that price. We can see here the price in the past has respected this support level, and again here and then again here. So the price could not close below this level on a daily basis. And for the price, this was mentioned in the last week analysis, that the price could hit here this level and find a strong demand where the sellers will get out and then the buyers will get in and push the price higher. The first target was here, the price will return back here at 1.08846, and second level that could price reach if this level has been broken will be 1.09860. And what we can see here, just a minute, the price has reached this level. It was almost close to the support level 1.07825, but the strong demand zone did not allow the price to reach this level. What we can see here, on a Monday we have a strong wick on this candle, on this bearish candle, which represented that there was a lot of buyers here and also a lot of sellers that has gone out from this trade that was lasted 3 days in a row, and they wanted to log the profit. If they logged the profit here directly at the 1.07825, they would miss the opportunity to log the profit because the price did not reach. So smart traders always look to log the profit before the price reaches strong support or resistance level. In this case, the price did not reach this price level, but it has reached close to this demand area, and then the price bounced back up. In this area, the buyers has also entered the trade, and it was the same scenario as the sellers. Who wants to buy the price at the strong support level, he does not wait until the price reaches this, but he looks for the demand zone, the start of the demand zone, and this was here. So many traders are entering a little bit above the support zone to catch the entry, because if there is a strong support zone, you can expect the price will not easily reach this level, but it will bounce earlier, so you can plan to make an order before the price reaches this level. So after the price has reached this demand zone, the price returned back up. It was a strong week. Then on the next day, on the Tuesday, we have the price that was continuing to move up, but the price reached here, close to this supply zone on this resistance level, and from there the price returns back down. The return was above 1.08846, which was also sign the price has a problem to continue moving down. So this area was too strong for the sellers, and the buyers has took the price above all these levels on the next day. On Wednesday we have a strong bullish candle, and when we take a look on these 2 days from Tuesday to Wednesday, we have almost a 300 pips move, which indicates a strong bullish move. So we know that the price has a strong support here that pushed the price up. So the next time when the price reaches this level, it will be a little less strong, but it will be still strong support level. When the price reached the level at 1.10755, which is a confluence of resistance where horizontal resistance is crossing also the downtrend line, which makes a strong confluence of resistance that is preventing the price to move higher. But the price, what you can see here on Wednesday, the daily candle has closed right on the 1.10755 resistance level. And on the next day, on a Thursday, the price tried to move up, but there is also a strong supply zone that is pushing the price down. So there are a lot of sellers waiting to enter the market and also a lot of buyers that look at the profit when the price was moved from this level to this level. So when the price reached this level, there was a strong wick on a Thursday candle and the price returned back down to the next support level, and that is 1.09860. From there on a Friday, the price tried to make a retrace, a small bounce up, and it was visible here as a strong wick, and then the price returned back down and stopped on this demand zone next to 1.08846 level. What you can see here, the current price, the week has ended, it is almost the same as the price the week has started. So we can see and make a conclusion that this week was indecision week because the price has a strong support here and a strong resistance here, which prevents the price to move easily in any direction. So we can see here two strong levels. The first one is 1.07825 as a support and demand zone, and the second strong resistance level is at 1.10755. So we have two strong levels that is holding the price. In between we have two weaker levels. We will see the price moving between them. So the price is between 1.09860 as a weaker resistance level compared to the stronger resistance level, and we have 1.08846 as a weaker support level compared to strong level at 1.07825. So the price needs to break between these two levels because the market is in bearish sentiment right now. I'm expecting the price will break below this weak support and continue to move at 1.0825. The price, the next time when the break on the daily candle is below this level, I'm expecting to reach 1.07825 and not only the demand zone, because now there will be much more sellers pushing down the price and there will be less buyers waiting here at the demand zone. So on the upper side, it is less likely the price will move up because lots of sellers are waiting right now to push the price down, and also we have still here the confluence of resistance where many sellers will try to push the price down. If the price tries to reach this level at 1.09860, this could be a potential entry zone with the stop loss a little bit above this daily wick. So if you want to look for the entry level for the bearish trade, you should wait until the price returns back up here and then look for the price action signal as a bearish pin bar or bearish engulfing bar on a daily time frame or on 4-hour time frame. Then the target would be 1.07825 as the exit level. If the price closes below 1.07825 on a daily basis, the next support will be 1.06736. But if the price tries to break this level, this resistance level, and closes on a daily basis above these two candles high, which means 1.10755, this will be a first sign that the bulls could take over the market. But when the price comes here on a daily basis, this will mean the price is in the downtrend channel, but there is also an area that bulls needs to close above to verify that the market could change completely from the bearish sentiment into bullish sentiment. Until this happens, the price closes on the daily basis above this, and then after this, I am still open for bearish trades. To add more information to the bearish scenario, why I'm still open only on bearish trades is the currency strength meter that is showing that the euro is still weak compared to the USD currency, which you can see here on the currency strength meter graph. So I'm expecting still that the euro, because of the current situation in Europe, will remain weak and the USD will remain strong, relatively strong compared to the euro currency. So until euro becomes more stronger than the USD, and when the USD becomes weaker, I will remain bearish, and when this shift happens, I will look for the bullish sentiment. And when I compare the shift on the currency strength meter from the bearish into bullish sentiment, I would like to see also that change on the chart. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.